Welcome. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to delete sounds from the Discord soundboard on PC with the new update. If your server's soundboard is cluttered or you just want to remove a sound you don't need anymore, this quick walkthrough will help you get it done in just a few clicks. First, open your Discord app on your PC and head over to the server where the soundboard is located. Make sure you're logged into the right account and that you have the proper permissions, since only users with the right access can make edits to the soundboard. Next, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on the server name. This will open up a drop-down menu. From there, choose the option that says Server Settings. This is where all of your server management tools are kept, including the settings for the soundboard itself. Once you're inside the server settings, find and select the section labeled Soundboard. This is where all the sounds uploaded to that specific server are listed. You should see the collection of sounds currently available, whether they were uploaded by you or by other members who have permission. To delete a sound, all you need to do is tap the small X next to the sound you want to remove. A confirmation message will pop up just asking if you're sure you want to delete it. Go ahead and confirm, and the sound will be permanently removed from the soundboard. That's it. Just 4 simple steps. Open Discord, head to Server Settings, select Soundboard, and tap the X to delete. It's super straightforward with this new update, and takes only a moment to clean up your soundboard and keep it organized. If you need to, you can repeat this for as many sounds as you'd like to remove. By doing this regularly, you'll make sure your soundboard only contains the sounds you actually want to use, which keeps things fun and hassle-free for everyone in your server. Now you know exactly how to delete sounds from your Discord soundboard on PC.